In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize keyboard shortcuts within DaVinci Resolve, a powerful tool used by video editors around the world. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned editor, mastering keyboard shortcuts can greatly increase your editing efficiency and streamline your workflow. Let's start with opening DaVinci Resolve. Once the program is running and you're ready to personalize your editing experience, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see various options, but what we are interested in is the option labeled DaVinci Resolve. Give that a click. With the DaVinci Resolve menu open, you'll notice a list of different settings and tools at your disposal. For today's task, navigate down to the option that reads Keyboard Customization. Clicking this will open up a new window dedicated to keyboard shortcuts. In the Keyboard Customization window, you'll be greeted with a world of possibilities. At this point, you can choose preset keybinds from other software suites if you're looking for something familiar, allowing for a seamless transition from other programs you might have used before. For instance, if you're accustomed to shortcuts in Adobe Premiere or Avid Media Composer, you can switch to a layout that mirrors those programs closely. However, if you're feeling adventurous and want to create a setup that suits your unique editing style, this is the perfect opportunity to fully customize each function. Within the customization menu, you'll see a keyboard layout display. Here, you can click on any key to modify the action associated with it. Simply select a key and assign it a new function by searching for the command you want in the search bar, then clicking Save to confirm your changes. As you customize your keybinds, try to group similar functions near each other, making them intuitive and easy to remember. This is especially helpful when you're knee-deep in editing and want to perform actions quickly without stopping to think about which key does what. Efficiency is the name of the game. Additionally, it's beneficial to frequently save your workspace and settings. This ensures that all your changes are secured and ready for use every time you fire up DaVinci Resolve. Regularly saving your customizations can save you a lot of time and hassle down the road. Remember, these shortcuts are meant to enhance your editing experience. The more you use them, the more your muscle memory will kick in, speeding up your process over time. Be patient and give yourself time to adapt to your new setup. With consistent practice, you'll find your editing workflow becoming much smoother and more enjoyable. That wraps up our guide on customizing keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. Take your time, experiment with different setups, and soon you'll edit with the speed and precision of a pro. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips elevate your editing skills to the next level.